Have an EXM file from a teacher or testing platform? This contains a question bank for creating assessments and exams. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open access and use these ExamView test bank files. We're going to try the quick and easy steps, but be aware. I've kept the most effective EXM file solution for the tough cases near the end. EXM files are test bank files created by ExamView the assessment generation. Software published by Turning Technologies, they contain collections of test questions organized by topic and difficulty, including multiple choice true, false, matching short answer and essay question types, with answer keys and scoring rubrics. ExamView EXM test bank files use a proprietary binary format, storing question content with rich text formatting, mathematical equations, images, answer choices, correct answer designations, difficulty ratings, topic tags, and metadata for automated test assembly and randomization algorithms. Windows often defaults to associating EXM with the ExamView Assessment Suite solution from Turning. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read. Windows can display the file, but detailed revision or formatting requires a document editor. We need to test for compatibility. Right-click your EXM file and choose Open With. If you have ExamView Assessment Suite, launch with that first. Otherwise, try a different program. Sometimes the best fit isn't obvious. If you still cannot open your EXM file, that is okay. Since the initial fixes failed, we need to treat this as a deep technical challenge. Execute these key tests on common failure points to find where the problem begins. First, opening an ExamView. Launch ExamView. Test generator and open the EXM file using File, then open Test Bank. The question bank displays with all questions organized by topic and type. Browse questions individually or use the Quick Test Wizard to automatically select questions based on difficulty level, topic coverage, and question type criteria. Next, creating tests from banks. In ExamView, use the Test Builder to create new assessments by selecting questions from the EXM test bank. Choose questions manually, or use the automatic selection feature to pick random questions matching your criteria. Arrange questions into sections, configure point values, and add instructions for the final test document. Finally, printing and exporting. Print completed tests from ExamView using File, then Print, with options for multiple test versions, scrambled answer choices, and separate answer keys. Export tests to RTF format for editing in Microsoft Word, or publish to online testing platforms. ExamView also supports export to Blackboard and other LMS formats for digital assessment delivery. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.